Hey there, new parents. Moving with a baby can sound like a nightmare, but I've got some tips to help you keep your sanity. I've been there, done that, and trust me, you can do it too. First off, start by decluttering. Less stuff means less to pack. And hey, more space for baby's things, right? Get rid of what you don't need and organize what's left. Next, create a baby essentials bag. Pack enough diapers, wipes, clothes, and snacks for at least a couple of days. You never know when you'll need a quick change or a snack. Keep this bag handy, like in the car or with you at all times. Now let's talk about packing. Label everything. Seriously, you don't want to be hunting for baby bottles at 3 in the morning. Use clear bins for baby's items so you can see what's inside. And don't forget to pack a first night box with all your immediate necessities. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. If you can, get help. Whether it's friends, family, or a moving company, don't be afraid to ask for assistance. You've got enough on your plate already. On moving day, try to keep your baby's routine as normal as possible. Nap times, feeding times, and play times should stay consistent. This will help keep your little one calm amidst all the chaos. Lastly, once you're in your new place, take your time to set up the nursery. Make it cozy and familiar to help your baby adjust. So there you have it. Moving with a baby doesn't have to be a total meltdown. With a bit of planning and some helpful tips, you can do it. Good luck.